Alright, so here we go. Now I'm gonna solve some... I'm not sure about how much I'll solve, but like... I guess 2 is maximum, right? 2 problems. Okay, so like... I launched this stream is really late. Because today was... today I was doing a lot of stuff, a lot of side quests, right? So now it is what it is, I have to like... How can I say it? So like... My time is limited, right? So I'm trying to do as much as I can before I have to go sleep. So... Here's the problem, best time to buy and sell stock 2, right? The first one I have solved. I guess I can just take it for now. Pass it here, right? Now let's read, figure out what is the difference. You're given an integer array prices, where prices I is the price of a given stock on the each day, yeah. On each day you may decide to buy and or sell the stock. You can only hold at most 1 share of the stock at any time. However, you can buy it then immediately sell on the same day. Wait, what? However, you can buy it then immediately sell it on the same day. Find and return the maximum profit you can achieve. Buy on day 2, price 1, and sell on day 3, price 5, profit 4. Then buy on day 4, 3, and sell on day 5, 6, profit 3. Okay, so we now have like find best pairs, right? You can only hold at most 1 share of the stock at any time. However, you can buy it then immediately sell it on the same day. I don't like quite get the last one, but okay, we'll figure it out. 1 2 3 4 5. Buy on day 1, price 1, and sell on day 5, 5. Profit 4. Total profit is 4. Okay. There is no way to make a positive profit, so we never buy the stock to achieve the maximum profit of 0. Okay, makes sense. Actually, let me scale for it for stream, because like... For me it looks good, but on stream I guess it's way too small. So why are we doing it here that way? So like we're buying for 1, selling for 5. The profit is 4, right? There's no buying for 3. Selling for 6 and profit is 3. So in sum it's like 7. And if I would do it different, so if I buy for 1 and sell for 6, it's gonna be 5. Right? And then I can just like buy anything else. What about here? Like what if I'll just buy here, say here, sell here, then again buy here, sell here, and then repeat. So like it's gonna be 1 profit here, right? 1 profit here, which is already 2, 3, and 4. Right? So it's like... I guess I should just always sell if the next number is bigger than the original. If the current price is bigger than the price we have bought it with, right? And buy if it's buy for what? Okay, let's just try that actually. Actually, let me get back here. Mean 0. I feel like it's just 2 pointers, right? So we are here. First pointer, 2 pointers are on the 1. We increase second pointer. If it's bigger, we sell it. Okay, do we immediately buy it? If we buy 7, I can't ever sell it, right? So I don't immediately buy it. Yeah, that's kind of a help. Okay, I feel like half an hour is not enough for me to solve it, actually. I feel like I have to think about it. Like here, how do we know that we have to buy in one, right? At one. Let's assume we are buying 7, right? So we go, we reach the end, and there is like nothing smaller. Okay, wait, what if we like... what if we like start with 7, then we see the number less than 7, right? We immediately swap to it, we like forget about 7, then we see 5, we immediately sell it, right? Like the moment it's bigger than the one we have right now. Yeah, we immediately sell it. Then we buy it, right? Like, buy it, like we mark it as both. Then we go here, as it's smaller than the previous one, we don't buy this anymore, we like buy this one. Then the next one is bigger, so we immediately sell it, right? It should make sense. It should work the same way here, and the same way here. Right, so we're gonna like mark as both these ones and these ones and these, and like we'll never buy any of them. Seems good. Okay, so how am I gonna do that? Min. Oh. If prices min actually I is less than prices min, then prices. Hello Con, hello. How are you doing? Damn, sorry for like launching stream so late. I've just been so much seen today. I also like soldered a new keyboard. It also like, it looks like so fucking cool. Is this an easy? Is this an easy? No, it's medium. Medium. I mean, I just like doing a list of top interview, right? Just for fun. And to like also renew some TypeScript, because I've not been writing in TypeScript for a long time already. Doesn't look that insane to solve. Yeah, I mean, I guess I know how to solve it, but it always happens that way, that like, yeah, I know how to solve it, and then like I spent another half an hour understanding what I don't understand, right? Okay, so if prices I, okay, so we are doing min equals I, right? Then okay, so if current else, right? It's else. If current is bigger, I don't need equal, right? I don't need equal. Only if it's okay. It actually doesn't matter if it's equal. It will work almost the same way. After you solve it, you should look at solution 2 to see what others have done. Yeah, I know. So else we sell it, right? So if it's bigger, profit equals plus equal prices I minus prices min. Does that make sense? Yeah, I guess it does. Yeah. Then what are we doing here? I'm actually not sure. It's like there might be edge case which will break it. I'm not sure if there is, right? But let's test it. So yeah, now min equals I. Yeah, that's it, I guess. I feel like I'm missing something, but let's check. Oh, never mind. Submit. Okay, it was much easier than I expected. Actually, like, I mean, to be honest, I was not ready to like do it first shot. Okay, let's do next. Actually, let's look for submission solutions. Where is it? TypeScript. Go 0 milliseconds. Total. More. Total plus. Wait. It's the same here, yeah. Total equals 0, right? So it's like profit 0. For I equals 1. I less than ln of prices, yeah. I plus plus. If prices I more than prices. Oh yeah, it was so easy. Yeah, actually you can do it that way, yeah. You don't even have to track min and max, yeah. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's go next. No sense. Jump game. Oh yeah, I already was doing that. I mean, like, I misunderstood all the problem and was doing like just a ridiculous solution. So like you're given an integer array nums, you're initially positioned at the array first index, and each element in the array represents your maximum jump length at that position. Return true if you can reach the last index, or false otherwise. Okay, so like the main problem is the main problem are zeros, right? Because zeros like can block you. And like if there are no zeros, it's like guaranteed to be true. Like you can always reach the end. So going other way around, it like seems I can just like go backwards, find a zero, and then just figure out if I can jump over the zero, right? If I can just like skip it, go next to the next zeros, and if I reach the start, then that means I can like reach the end, right? That like I guess that should make sense. So like, actually, let me do it here. For I nums num. Actually no. Actually no. Or is it? Okay, I would like you to go from 0 and I'll just index it differently, right? Or do I? Okay, I'm actually want to do it that way. More than 0 minus equal 1. So what are we doing? We're going backwards and we look for zeros, right? If num not equal 0, if it not equals 0, then we just continue, right? We don't care. Return true, I guess, here, right? Yeah. Then if it's not 0, actually if it's 0, we have to launch a check if we can jump over it. How do we do it? Right? How do we check if we can jump over 0? We go next. Okay, we just like we save the index of 0, right? The index of where the 0 is located. And we go next. And we check if the distance to the next value, if value is more than distance to this value, right? That means we can jump over the 0. And if we reach the end, of string, or if we reach another 0, that's like, actually another 0 will not work, right? If we reach the end, that means we can't jump over it. But what if we reach other 0? The point is we can still like, yeah, we just ignore it, right? If it's another 0, we ignore it, because like after the 0 there can be another huge, like insanely huge value, which will allow to jump like us until the end, right? Okay, so like we have to just find first 0, just first 0. No, I feel like I have to do it in recursion. Do I? I probably don't. Let me think. So I go down. Oh. Zero index equals -1. If zero index equals -1, continue. Then if num equals 0. Fuck, what am I doing? If num equals 0. Damn, can I get nice formatting, please? White formats with two length tab. It's like weird. I have full length tab. Num equals 0. 0 index equals I. Nice. 0 index equals -1. We continue. Nice. Actually, no. I think I wanna do it that way. Now we found the 0. What are we doing next? Actually, continue here too. So now definitely we're not at the same position as I. If and so actually gonna be return false, I guess. If zero index minus I is more than nums I. Yep. Okay, so if we can jump over 0, right? This means, like, that basically means we can jump over the 0. No, not really. Wait, the distance is more than the value, other way around. This one means we can jump over the 0. Then 0 index equals -1. And here we return if 0 index equals -1. So if it equals, it means true, we can access. Let's try it out. Rust? What do you mean Rust? Huh? Am I tripping? Yeah, no way. No way, that's some peak performance. No way, no way, no way. Fuck. Never mind. Forget what I just said. Okay, that might be just an edge case, right? 0, 1. Why doesn't work for me? So like 0 index equals -1. We go here. Oh, I see. No, wait. I don't see. Output true, expected false. Yeah, expected false. And then output true, really? So I equals 0. No, not really. Wait. I equals 1. We check if it equals 0. It doesn't. This one doesn't trigger. Wait. This one triggers, so we go next. Now I is 0. This one triggers. 0 index equals 0, continue. This exits. Yeah, it should return false. Wait, am I... Wait, what? No actual way. Output true. Output true. Okay, actually, you know how I can try to fix it? You know how I can try to fix it? Like, it's even gonna be like beneficial for performance of this function. If nums 0 equals 0, return false. Right, so we don't even have to check everything, we just like check the first number, the first value. I hope like that's the only edge case, it's not. Wait, what? Output false, expected true. Oh. Oh. Oh, I see. Let's run. Wait, where is music? Why it reset it? Sounds remove. Yay! Submit. Please, no more edge cases. Please, no more edge cases. Fuck, one more edge case. Output false, expected true. Why is it false? So this one doesn't trigger, right? We go here. 0 index equals -1. Then this one triggers, right? On the index 1. So 0 index equals 1, continue. Now it's 0. If 0 index equals -1 continues, this one skips. If 0 index minus I, which is like, oh, it's equal, right? Yeah, it's equal here. I guess that's the problem. I hope it is. Test case, another. Let's check it out. Fuck, I broke. And this one didn't solve. Okay, so that's not the problem. Let's go through it. So like, I is 0, 0 index is 1. 1 minus 0. That might be the problem actually. Maybe I can fix it that way. +1. Go from 1 or go to 1. You know? And nums I equals 0, yeah. I guess. Let's just check it, right? And think more about it. Just like an intuition if... Yeah, it actually works. Oh. 1, 0, 2. Okay. Okay, let's continue patching it. Output true, expected false. 1, 0, 2. Okay, we start with 2. Oh, wait. Wait, what am I doing? It's not... Wait, it's so broken. What have I done? It's so broken. Right? I -1. -1, but like it defeats the whole purpose, right? Yeah, like... Wait. Like... Yeah, defeats the whole purpose. So, okay, let's remove it. For now. Go back here to this case. To 0, right? What was the result actually? Output false, expected true. Okay, so we are at index 1, nums equals 0, so 0 index equals 1, continue. So we go through here, This one doesn't work. This one doesn't work. This one. 0 index is 1, I is 0, right? So, like, the difference is 1. I guess, like, the problem is that I can be 0, right? If 1 is less than nums I, which it is. Wait, maybe it's not. Wait, how... The fuck? Wait. This one doesn't really, right? Yeah, it should not. Absolutely should not. Let's check. It will not. It's not gonna be the problem. Yeah, it's still output false. Yeah. Okay. Let's go through it one more time. So I is 1, right? Because the len is 2. Wait. What am I saying? Right? What am I saying? No way. So there... Wait. There was a bug which was like changing nothing? Seriously? Okay. So I is the last element. We are going to 0, I minus 1. Right, so I is 1, definitely 1 this time. Nums I equals 0, which is true. So 0 index equals I, which is 1. 1 here, 1 here. Now it's 1. Continue. Oh, my bad, I guess. Wait. Yeah, I guess. Because if it's 0, we just immediately skip it. And we should not, right? 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 Hell nah. What are... Output false expected true. Why this one doesn't? Expected true, wait. Okay, it's just an edge case, right? It's just an edge case. It's just an edge case. And like, we just copy this one and do like equals equals 1. True. Yeah. Just patching it. And we're ready to go. Please? Please? No more edge cases, please. Just... Output false, expected true. Okay, so we start with 0. Right? 0 index is like what? 4? 3? I is 3. This one true. 0 index equals 3, continue. I is 2. This one skips. 0 index, which is 3, minus 2. Yeah, it's less equal, actually. It's... Please don't break previous tests. Please, please, please don't. Please don't. Fuck, it broke previous test. Okay, let's go through it. 3, 2, 1, 0, 4. How does it... Output true, expected false. Why is it true? Wait. Oh, I see, that's not the problem. Yeah, it should not be... Yeah, it should not be equal. It's just that if we jump, and we jump to the last one, if 0 is the last one, right, and we can jump, then it's okay. If nums len minus 1 equals 0. Continue. So we just skip it. Okay, this code is horrible, but if it works, right? Yay! Please, please, no more edge cases, please. Expected false, output true. Why is it true? I'm doing something kind of insane. What exactly? What exactly? That sounds provocative. 1010. So we got what? This one skips, right? So we immediately start not on 3 but on 2. Then here. Oh, what have I done? Wait. What have I done? I guess I can do it that way. I'm not like, it's also a horrible way to do it, I guess, but if it works, right? Nums. Oh, actually I can do it that way. At -1. It's actually pretty cool. Equals 0. Then nums. Pop, right? Pop removes the last element from an array and returns it. If the array is empty, undefined is returned. Nums. Wait. It's on the type number. Wait. Oh, it returns. Okay, so like it modifies the array in place, right? Right. Visual G Y select. Okay, wait, let me read. I'm making ChatGPT write me a garbage collector book with a deep research option and clear prompt exactly how I want it. That sounds like an overkill for ChatGPT, honestly. Garbage collector book with a deep research. Oh, I'm close. I'm close. Wrong answer. What do you mean wrong answer? Expected false, output true. Huh? Okay, let's add another patch. I'm just gonna patch shit out of it, honestly. There's gonna be 100 patches and like 0 is like 2 lines of functionality in this function, honestly. Like all function is gonna be like just check for each edge case, right? For actually, is it like it's possible? I can just like go test case by test case and just like check if test case this, return this, right? I'm interested to see how it handles it, to be honest. Yeah, like it's actually it's a cool idea to like push AI to the limit and see like how far it can go. Because often, like sometimes, I notice that like I expect AI to not be able to do it, and it just one-shots it, and it's like, and I'm like thinking why I haven't tried it earlier. Okay. This one, all of this, we just skip it. These are edge cases. 0 index, I equals what? 4, right? Not 0, right? Continue. We found for 0, we are here. So I equals 3. 0 index equals 3. Continue. Now we're here. Oh, because 0's index was swapped, yeah. And 0 index equals -1, that way. That way. That should fix it. I told minimum 75 pages, by the way, insane. Is it like GPT-5? That's insane. I don't think it's gonna handle it. Like, I would assume it maybe like do something at least readable, something at least cohesive if you like do it in parts, right? But then 75 pages. Yay! Ooh! top performance, top performance. 100%, wow. 3 milliseconds. I mean, if it was Go, like, it would be like 0 milliseconds, obviously, like. Okay. I mean, it's actually not that, like, from performance standpoint, it's not that bad, right? It's actually not that bad. I would say, like, if you think about, like, the most efficient way to check it, I would guess that this function should be actually, like, like, all the obvious edge cases, which, like, doesn't require computation, are checked, right? So, like, if you don't compute answer, we don't compute answer, right? It makes it a little bit uglier, but at the same time, it's like peak performance. Upvotes, TypeScript. Left, now 0. Oh, it's like an AF approach, right? So he just like jumps everything, yeah. I don't like it. Mine is much faster. It all matters on how explicit you are with prompting. It has read 30 sources so far. The modern LLMs are just insane, honestly. Like, I'm so hyped about the time we live in. And also, I'm so hyped about how's it called? How's it? Meal in the evening called, wait. Damn, I'm so cooked. Dinner, right? It is dinner, obviously. So like, I'm so hyped about dinner and go and sleep. So, Con, thank you for coming. I appreciate it. It's like a really short stream, but it is what it is. It's kind of late. Yeah, and I guess